Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on the passcode on your Apple Watch. To do this, you just need to go and click on the crown button like that, and after that scroll down a little bit. If you are using the list type of menu, or also you can look to this icon, or for this icon if you are using the bubble theme, and after that go to settings. In settings you will find a lot of settings. You need to scroll down until you find an option called passcode, and in the passcode, you will find the first option is turn passcode on. You need to click on it, and after that, you need to write your passcode that you already have in your watch. For example, I will enter my passcode, and after that, re-enter it again. And wait for a few seconds, and as you can see now, your passcode is turned on. Already it tells you that you can turn the passcode off if you don't want to use it, or you can change it if you want to. And the second option to do this is to turn on the passcode by using the mobile application, because this passcode is also available in the mobile application. And as you can see now, if I leave my watch and I want to use it again, it tells me that I need to enter the passcode. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.